Hey y'all, it is me Xureila and I am back with another wig review video. So today's wig is from Donmily hair and this wig is so freaking cute, y'all. It is so soft. I love how it came out. It is so cute. This is a 13x4 Bodywave lace front wig with baby hairs and it is 150% density and I just fell in love with it, y'all. The lace melted into my skin, okay? And y'all know I do glueless wig installs. I don't think I've ever done a real glued wig install. I think I've done it once, but the glue reacted bad to my skin, so I was just like, no more. So for glueless wig installs, I only use Got To Be spray. Sometimes I will use the Got To Be gel, just to get that extra stickiness and that extra hold. But today I'm just going to be using Got To Be spray. So I just spray the lace, I spray under the lace, and I spray on top of my head, and then I use my blow dryer to, you know, secure it and make it stay down on my head. And I use my blow dryer on the hot setting, but my blow dryer comes with a little button that I can easily press to make it cold. So if it's too hot, then I just turn it cold. And little warning, when you're using the hot setting on the blow dryer, it does dry it fast, but it also makes the Got To Be spray turn white. But I am okay with that because I just wipe it off after I get it all, you know, glued down, okay? Or sprayed down since I don't use glue, you know, whatever. So yeah, and then I use a rat tail comb to blend the lace in and just, you know, I don't know, I just rub it. I rub the lace and I try to, you know, melt it into my skin with the comb, and that just works for me, and it really makes the lace just stick on and just, you know, blend into the skin, okay? So yeah, I just do it in sections because it's just way easier that way. So after doing the whole wig and gluing it down or whatever you want to call it, I take a little scarf thingamabobber and I tie it up so it can lay down and stay flat and stay on my head all freaking day. And I just took it off because I just finished doing my makeup, and then I just took it off, and now I'm wiping it with some water to take off the excess Got To Be spray. And I also take some Nairobi mousse and put it all around the lace and brush it out so it won't be, you know, all stuck together and stuff from the Got To Be spray. Also, using Got To Be spray or using this glueless method, it can last you for days if you tie it up every night. So tie around the lace every night, and I would suggest to spray it again with Got To Be spray every night around the lace, and then just tie it up. And then in the morning when you take it off, it's still gonna be intact, honey, okay? So you do not have to use the glue, because I know my head don't react good with glue. At least the Got To Be glue. It just, I could not use that. But yeah, so y'all are about to see me struggle and try to figure out what I want to do with these baby hairs, but it turned out really cute in the end. So now I am parting the hair, and I am going to apply some light concealer on the part, because as you can see the cap under the lace, and I don't put makeup on my lace. I just do it all after, because you know, I just do it in the easiest way possible. I do my installs in the easiest way possible. So this is just how I end up doing it. So when I part the lace, you can see the cap under, but you won't be able to see it once you apply the light concealer onto the part, and that just makes it look more realistic. And I also ended up plucking a little bit of the hairs away from the parts, you know, just to make the part a little bit wider, but not too wide. So now I am taking some of my powder, my Fit Me powder that is for my skin color, and I just put it all around the lace just to, you know, blend it into my skin even more. And I feel like this part really helps. Like, this is a major part that you need to do, is put that powder all around the lace, and then, you know, take it off, just wipe it off. I be licking my finger and wiping it off. That's just how I do it, but you can take some water or some mousse and then just wipe it off of the actual hair. But make sure you get it into that lace, okay? Because it's just gonna be so cute. And it's just gonna blend right in. Now that we are done with all of that, I did go off camera and put some water into the hair just to bring out those waves, and I just think it came out so freaking cute. So yeah, y'all, everything about this hair will be linked down below. Go ahead and check out Donmily, okay, because their hair is amazing. I love it. I wore this hair like for the whole week, and it just was so cute the whole week. So yeah, y'all, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.